Thank you for joining me on the YouTube channel of RCCG Lagos Province 40. And today we are going to touch on another health topic that would serve as a reminder or a form of education to us all. I pray that we all benefit from this talk in Jesus' name. I am Dr. Odunayo Talabi. I'm a public health and family physician. So I want to talk on this. You've heard that you have to check yourself regularly. You need to undergo health checks so that you can immediately know if there are problems that could easily be tamed before they become complicated. As we know, the earlier we treat or the earlier we detect, the easier it becomes to handle such ailments. Therefore, you may now want to ask yourself, so why don't you do regular health checks? Many reasons. It could be because you cannot afford it. It could be that you are too busy to have the time to go in and have yourself checked. It could also be that you are wondering, but I'm not sick, I'm not ill. Why should I go to the hospital? Why should I check myself when I do not have any symptoms? At any rate, I've never been ill or sick in my life. So, due to that, we sometimes ignore or postpone health checks. And the consequences of this sometimes can be dire. So, if your reason is that you've never been ill in your life, not being ill in your life is very good. Not checking yourself because of that is not good. So it's still advised that you check yourself regularly, especially from the age of 40 years. If the reason is that you're too busy, I would say, find time, schedule it, plan it, put it in your schedule, because you need to be in good health to do whatever you want to do. If you were unable to do your health check because of costs, I have an advice for you. Do your urine test. You'll be amazed at how much of information a simple urine test can give you. And you can get urine test done for less than 1,000 naira in most places. And then it can serve as a window to your system. For instance, if you do urine test and they detect sugar in it, it may lead to suspicion of diabetes. And this will now inform the need to do a fasting blood sugar. Another thing is sometimes urine tests can be done and they see proteins. Proteins could be a sign of many things, including kidney disease or infection. And merely doing that few hundred naira test will show you that, and then you will know what for that test to do. Do you know that urine tests can also help in diagnosing liver problems? So many times, they see things like urobilinogen, bilirubin in urine, and that can be used to suspect and further investigate if truly there are conditions that could be liver related. And I can go on and on about this. But the morale is that do your health check. It's important. And there's really no reason that justifies you're not doing it, because the consequences of not doing it is far worse than the inconvenience of doing it. And then I also gave you a tip that when cost is an issue, when you don't have the means to do it now, then one way to at least peep into your system is to do a urine test. And from there, you can be saving yourself thousands, even millions of naira. We'll stop here today, and then we'll look forward to another time when we come together and benefit from this program brought to us by RCCG Lagos Province 40. See you then.